Welcome to the Soil Science Australia videos on identifying soils using field techniques. Today we are going to look at water repellents or non-wetting soils. So non-wetting soils occurs in sandy soils, so high sand content soils where a waxy layer coats those sand particles, those sand grains, and form a hydrophobic or a non-wetting layer. So to assess that in the field, what we can initially do is look at how that soil behaves with water, and then we can also look at what's called a molar ethanol droplet test. So there are more in-depth lab tests you can be doing in relation to molar ethanol, but want to run through a quick field example that you can be doing to quickly assess the degree of non-wetting you have at your site. So here we have some RO water or deionized water and also some 2 molar ethanol. If you don't have access to 2 molar ethanol, you can actually use a solution of about 23.9 or 24 mils of methylated spirits, industrial grade, in 200 mils of water to get a similar concentration to use in this experiment. So for doing this test, we start off with applying the RO water. So we'll get a sample of that. We've already made some small indentations with a finger as a location to drop the sample. So apply the water and make a bead on that soil, and then we want to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after 10 seconds we still have a bead, which means this soil has a tendency for non-wetting, but to what degree? We then need the 2 molar ethanol to then assess the degree of non-wetting here. So I'll grab a sample of the 2 molar ethanol. We add that to the soil, make a bead, and we again count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can see the 2 molar ethanol has infiltrated into the soil in 5 seconds. So it was under that 10-second mark. So if it exceeded 10 seconds, with the 2 molar ethanol, we'd know that this site had strong non-wetting, but because the water beaded for longer than 10, but the 2 molar ethanol was less than 10, we'll sit this in the category of a moderate non-wetting soil. So for more information on non-wetting soils, head to our website soilscienceaustralia.org.au.